Hello everyone, welcome back. I'm Tanzil from Doplac.com, and in this video, I'll walk you through the process of connecting your Brevo SMTP to Doplac.com, enabling you to launch your email campaign using Doplac.com email marketing tool. So without further ado, let's get started. So head it over to the email marketing from the left menu, then click SMTP setup, and this is the page you will be taken to where you can find all the SMTP server you have connected to Doplac before. And to add a new SMTP, just click Add More SMTP. Choose your SMTP provider. As I'm going to connect Brevo, so I'll choose Brevo. Give your SMTP a name. I'm going to give it. Okay, then here you have to provide your Brevo API key. If you don't know how to find the Brevo API key, you can check out our documentation for more detailed information. You have all the information here on how to find the Brevo API key, or you can forget about all the hassle. I'm going to show you exactly how you can find your Brevo API key. So just sit back and enjoy the video. To find your Brevo API key, you can just click here, then it will land you directly to the Brevo API key setting page. Or if you are already signed into your Brevo account, then just go to your Brevo account, click on your name, and here it is, click SMTP and API key. And here it is, click on API keys. Click generate a new API key to create a new API key. Give your API key name. I'm going to give it to demo. Okay, click generate. And here it is, my API key is ready. Make sure you copy it properly because you can't see the API key or you can't access this again. So make sure you copy it properly. Just copy, done. Go to your Doplac account, paste your API key here. And here it is, you have to provide your sender details, sender email and from name. And if you need help how to verify your sender email with your SMTP provider, you can check out our documentation, or you can continue with the video. I'm going to show you how you can exactly verify your sender with your SMTP provider. So to verify your sender with your SMTP provider, go to your Brevo account, click on your name, click on sender domain and dedicated IP. And here it is, I'm going to actually verify a single sender. Just click on sender. To add a new sender, add a sender. Provide your from name, as I'm going to choose it from. I'm going to choose Tanzil from Doplac. Okay. And here is provides your email address, the email address actually you want to verify with your SMTP provider. So provide your email address here. I'm going to give it here. Then click save. So after clicking save, Brevo will send and verify email to this email address. Then you have to go to the email account and click on, you have to verify the email. So it's done. It's that simple. Then go to your Doplac account again, provide your verified email sender here. So I'm going to choose this one, your from name. I'm going to choose Tanzil from Doplac, and it's done. Your sender details is complete. And here it is, when your sender details is ready, then you have to set up your event webhook to track your email open rate, click-through rate, and every single things, all the important measurement. To track all the important data from your email campaign, you have to set up event webhook. To set up your event webhook, just copy your webhook from here, from your Doplac account, go to your Brevo account, click on campaign, click on settings, and here it is, click on configure event webhook. To add a new webhook, click add new webhook. Okay, paste your webhook URL, the URL we actually copied from your Doplac.com account. So I'm going to paste it here. Mark actually which option you want to track. I'm going to choose every single point, and you can track whatever you want actually. So I think everything would be better for me. So I'm going to choose everything, add, and it's done. And it's ready. Just go to your Doplac account, click on connect now, and it's done. My SMTP is connected. And if you need to update your SMTP details, if you need to change any details, then you can just click here to edit details. You can add another sender details, another email address. Just click add new email address to add new sender email from the same SMTP provider. Or if you want to delete your provider, just click here to delete your SMTP provider. And that's it. It's all for today. Hope you guys found this video helpful. If you have any questions or any feedback, leave them in the comment below. And stay tuned for more informative video from Doplac.com. See you in the next video. Till then, stay happy and healthy. Thank you for watching.